internet and a secure browsing experience, you're in the right place. Today, we've got an exciting tutorial for you. We'll show you how to create an SSH SSL TLS server payload and set it up using the SSH Custom app. If you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's get into it. First, open your web browser and in the search bar, type UDP Custom and hit enter. Find the official UDP Custom website in the results and click on it. Once you're on the homepage, look for the menu icon, usually at the top corner. Tap it, and from the dropdown, select SSH. Now you'll be redirected to the account creation page. Here, enter your desired username and password, solve the CAPTCHA, and then hit the Create Now button. After a short 10-second countdown, your SSH SSL server details will be generated. Click on Copy Server Info to save it to your clipboard. Paste it into your Notes app so you can easily use it later. Next, let's move to the SSH Custom app setup. Head to the Google Play Store on your Android device, search for SSH Custom, and install it. If you already have it installed, just make sure it's updated to the latest version. Open the app, and on the home screen, tap the hamburger icon, 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner to expand the menu. Then tap Profiles to begin creating your custom SSH server profile. On the profile creation page, enter a name at the top. For example, you can name it SSH/SSL. Now paste in the host, username, and password that you copied earlier from the UDP Custom site. If you also want to integrate a Slow DNS server, you can tick the Use Slow DNS checkbox and fill in the necessary information. But in this tutorial, we'll focus only on SSH setup. I'll cover Slow DNS integration in a future video. Once all the details are entered, hit the Save button. Now go back to the app's home screen. Select the profile you just created and tap the radio button to connect. In just a few seconds, you'll be connected to a fast, secure, and unlimited internet connection using your custom SSH SSL server. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more tutorials, including how to integrate Slow DNS for even more flexibility. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.